This project is all about how information and communication technology can be used for the providing information services to the farmers. Actually, this is one of the success story, a success model working in Kerala. It's one of the e-governance project by the government of Kerala, Department of Agriculture. What we have done is we developed a model called a multimodal delivery of agriculture information services to the farmers. That means we collect information on various aspects of agriculture, especially crop management, best practices and things like that, and we provide expert advisories to the farmers through different mediums. Like we have an online medium, we have a powerful television network to telecast agriculture-based programs, we have a mobile platform where we push and pull various information services to the farmers through their mobile phones, like different formats of information. Like we have a textual information, we have video on demand information through mobile, we also have audio on demand information service through mobile. Of course, the target uses as exclusive farmers, and we work all systems are farmer centric. The farmers can directly work on it, and some of our decision support systems can be used by the extension workers as well as the research scientists as well. So we have a close connection with various research laboratories in Kerala, and they are in fact the partners of this project. The unique in the project is one of the first multi-modal delivery agriculture information system in Kerala, where we reaching out to farmers by different mediums. That's why we call it multi-modal delivery. We have, as I said, is a toll-free based call center we have a mobile-based platform we have a television-based network, and also we have a portal-based online advisory. We have an audio online video on demand service. Also now we are going to do a radio network. As with the limitations, one is as I said, one is the awareness, building the awareness among the farmers to accept the right technology platform they can choose, and to getting the information at the right time.